at the end of every dictator's life. The same, America's plan to cooperate with them may mean that America has chosen terrorists over dictators and dictatorships, and has come to the conclusion that dictators are worse, more harmful and more dangerous than terrorists, or that America has finally realized its mistakes, and, together with political Islam, has revised its policies with these groups. Of course, the world is changing in recognition, relationships, partnerships, cooperation, and interests. Stupid conflicts with Islamic forces will cease. Ashraf Ghani was also an American, but the Taliban fought back. China is making the largest investment in Afghanistan. Just a few days ago, the Biden government transferred almost $500 million to the Taliban, while according to some media, America transfers $90 million to the current Afghan government every week. The Taliban is not building the canal from the air. This money came from somewhere and it is clear where it is. In the same way, Russia fell at the feet of the Taliban, and considers the Taliban its partner in the fight against terrorism. It seems that the world is no longer a safe place for dictators like Assad and Rakmanov.